Short and long a sound with short story for practice. At, hate, rat, rate, mat, mate, hat, hate, han, cane, han, cane, Sam, same, sham, shame, cap, tape, tap, tape, bar, bear, car, care, hat, hate, dat, date, tack, take, mac, make, wad, wade, spad, spade, gav, gave, came, fair, stare, Jane, lane, ale, sail, gape, shape, wave, save. Let's read a story. Saved. One day, not long ago, a little girl named Kate went to wade in the sea. Before she went into the water, she made some sand pies with her spade. She left them on a rock and ran across the sand to wade. At first, she did not go far into the water. One by one, the wave came up. How happy she was! But alas, a big wave came with a rush. Before she could turn back, she was swept out to sea. She gave a cry. The girls began to cry out too. Just then, Rover, the schoolmaster's dog, came for a swim. Seeing the little girl far out on the waves, the brave dog swam out to save her. When he came up to her, he held on to her dress and swam back to the sands. Here her mother was at hand to take care of her. Kate and the brave dog became playmates. Ever after that, Kate's mother could trust Rover to take care of her little girl.